We don't condone any form of abuse towards any woman.
Black man, shut your blood clot. Oh, you love white people so much. Eh? You love white people more than you love no blood clot self. Me say, if the man did say what him said to a black woman, and as we all know, the yard man has been saying that to black woman for years. See? Uno would have run out and say, yes, General. Put on your foot. Make y'all know them place. And that Uno would have said, see? But because I'm saying to a white woman now, Uno slave blood clot mentality make Uno run out and talk about. Uno no condone no form of abuse to any woman. I worship you blood clot, worship white people, you know. See? But black man, know your blood clot self.
Hey, I don't know which karate show this fox come out in, because you know, say, yo, all boy this, he look like a fox. Come out a whole, you know, them whole karate show there, but all beat and teach, see me. Listen, not because you abuse your wife, not because you see your father abuse your mother, not because you watch your grandfather abuse your grandmother means it's right. The difference with this generation than few generation is that we are educating ourselves. We're doing research and realizing that some things are wrong. So when something is wrong, we come and speak on the wrong, right? No, me realize, because I've seen videos with you and you have a problem with white people and slave master and colonial master and all them things that you talk about. Let me tell you this. Abuse has no color. Abuse has no gender. And you see, the very fact that we grew up in Jamaica and we see these kind of abuse, because right now, why you try doing abuse me? That go over your head, not true. Because we used to look up to as big man, and when not talk down to we and deal with a certain way, we take it. Because we are say, yo, a big man, I'm a big man. Not knowing that you were abusing us, and we were not even your child. So, right across the board, abuse is abuse. It doesn't matter what color skin you are. Again, abuse has no color. Abuse has no gender. You see me I say? So, if it was a black woman, I would have come out and speak the same way. But because you have the slavery mindset, because you still in a slavery, you know, that me realize, you know, you fight to come out of it. So you need some help, you need some therapy. You see me I say? You need some therapy, you need some psychological help. Because you're still in the mindset, and you go dead in the mindset if you're not careful. So, educate yourself and come out of that slavery mentality that you're in. And feel like, say, this generation and the generation after and the generation after should keep their mindset in the slavery mentality. No, we evolve. There's a group of us as young men who now keep education to ourselves. We educate each other. We teach each other. You should try your class. As a matter of fact, I might just share one video, make you come over there, come listen. Young black men educating each other. So when you come on, you talk and talk about black man this and black man that, brother, we don't condone abuse. And it seems like you condone it. It seems like you are probably one of the victim of abuse. You need some help. Get some help, General. You see me I say? You need help. And sometimes you need somebody to tell you because you not seeing the signs. And we outside looking in the box are seeing the signs that men like yourself, who is from that generation, who has been abused, need some help. So don't come on social media and do that when you hear a young man like myself and others are licked out for abuse in any shape or way. Now again, you are saying me as a condone. I really do not condone any sort of abuse to anybody. Right across the board, human are human. So we don't differentiate who forget abuse from who not forget abuse. Remember, if you think about the colonial thing and slave master, they abused us. Would you want that to still continue? You know why we talk about that either? So because they abuse us, we think it's right to abuse the woman beside we, abuse her kids, abuse friends and everybody around we. No, brother, we evolve. Facts, we evolve. As me say, I don't know what kind of karate show you come out of. Facts, we evolve. You need to educate yourself. You need to educate the generation that you're from. You and your brethren them sit down, man, and have certain discourse. And educate them, man. That you need to do. But when you come and attack a young black man on the internet, where you speak against abused, and you only see the white part of it because Cartel is with a white woman, you only see that the part of it. You only see the white part of it. And I talk about if it was a black woman. Were you on the live? Did you realize that I said I do not condone abuse right across the board? Did I leave out the black woman? I will never leave out the black woman. As a matter of fact, black woman are my joy and pride. I celebrate black woman every day. God give me 4 black women. Over here, 4 daughters. My 4 daughters are from black women. What you say, man? Educate yourself, Foxy. And don't come for the young youth them. Because the young youth them evolve. We have internet, can do research. We can read. Not like Uno back in the days we couldn't read. We can read now. We can articulate ourselves. We understand things. It's a different thing now than it was then. You need to take a page out of a book. You see me I say? Again, facts. We no condone abuse. So when you go that chat, but black man, this black man know yourself. Me know myself. And that's why I can speak out on these things. Because I know myself as a black man. And realize that we were abused in so many different ways. And we accept it because we never know better. But now that we know better, we not accept abuse. So you try to speak down on me as a black man, that's a form of abuse. Yeah, try right this with your bad word and all of them things. The brother, we let go that. We learn. So the kind of treatment where you get when you were younger, you feel is the same kind of treatment you go give the generation after you. And the generation after that. So again, this is what I am saying to you. White fox. We do not condone abuse on nobody. Abuse don't have color. Abuse don't have age. Abuse don't have gender. So again, we no condone abuse. So, teach. You're ignorant. You're ignorant. You're very ignorant. But anyway, go and run with what you are going with. Ignorant.